Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for passing by. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to put on a pre-made hat. I've got this hat. It's something like this. This hat I made it specifically for a certain outfit. So this is the hat. It has got some glitters and I usually use it maybe if I'm attending a dinner or some night events. So this is the hat and it has got some belts sort of at the end, and there are two of them like this. So this is the hat. So this is how I put it on. The hat, I put it on like this, like so. And then I have to roll this. I have to tuck in this edge. Yes, so and now you have something like this. So these are the edges that of this hat. It's a pre-made hat, so it now depends with the style that I want. I can roll my ends like this, like so. And then I also take this other edge, I roll it like so. You have to make sure that it's not showing the inside of your belt, and then I tuck it in. On this side, and then I take also this other side, and then I also tuck it on this. I have to make sure that I tuck it in neatly. This one is a very easy hat that you can actually put on. So this is now the hat. You can put it on like this. So now you have your hat. It's neat. It has got some glitters, this type of material. For those who know the type of this material, the name of this material, you can share in the comment section. I'm not really sure of the type of this material. So this is how you can actually rock your pre-made hat, something like this, like so. You can also style your hat like so. You take this edge, you have to slightly push your hat at the back like so, and then you take this belt in a slanting direction like this, and you take it to the back. Then you also take this other end and you also put it in a slanting direction like this. You would have created this V, and then you take it to the back, and you also take this other edge, you roll it again like so in a slanting direction, and you tuck it at the end like this, And then you also take this other and you have to make sure that your bells they are in the right direction so that you don't show the inside. Then you take it also in a slanting position, in a slanting direction, like so, and then you tuck it like this. You have to make sure that it's tightly tucked in. You can actually feel that your head wrap is tightly tucked in. So this is another way how you can actually put on your head like this. So this is the head. It's easy if you just know how to put it on and maybe what kind of a style do you really like. So this is another way of putting on your head.